Welcome back to Basin Motorsports. On today's The Enthusiast Toolbox, we are going to cover the last thing I think you need in your toolbox as an enthusiast concerning sockets. And that is going to be the flexible adapter. Now the beauty of these things is that they can always go off angles, and a lot of times cars are getting smaller and smaller and smaller as packaging and design gets things just so tight and crammed in there with all your accessories. It's getting harder and harder to get a socket and ratchet or even a wrench in there. So the beauty of these babies is they are flexible. They can go all around, and they come in different sizes. So you can get a 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch. You can probably get them in 3/4 and 1 inch too if you need those for your locomotive or your 787 private jet. Now most of the time these are just going to come in your standard chrome, and that is okay because they will last forever if they are chrome plated well. I've had these for, I bet almost 25 years, and these babies look a little worn, but they have held up over time. So I have a 3/8 and a 1/2 only. I don't have a 1/4, but that is okay. I have a stepper socket that will go on these if I need to get down into the 1/4 inch or anything else. Now these things you may not actually use very often, but when you need them, they come in very handy. Just remember when you're using these, they do tend to lose torque, so don't use these with a calibrated torque wrench because they tend to lose upwards of 20% value of the torque just because of the flexible joints and that. They're just not calibrated to hold that. They're perfect when you either are tightening and get right to snug before you click off with a torque wrench, or if you're loosening, you've broken it loose, but then you need something offside, over at an angle like this to go in there. Now, as always, I will have a couple links down to a couple of these that you need in your toolbox. Check the description for those, and anything else I've used in here in the garage, there's another link to the Amazon store. You can see everything else I use here in the garage at Basin Motorsports. So that's it, guys. Go out and get you a set of the flexible joints because you never know when you're going to need it. And when you need it, you got to need it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you're enjoying the Enthusiast Toolbox because these are the tools I use all the time here at Basin Motorsports. That's it. The Enthusiast Toolbox. Fill your toolbox with some good tools. We'll see you next time.